Hey, what's up, fellow prompt engineers? If you work in sales and you're not using ChatGPT yet, this video is perfect for you, and watch until the end to 10x your output. I will show you exactly what prompts you can use in sales that improve your productivity, make your life easier, and help you out with your day-to-day tasks on your sales job. I've created a template with notes of prompts that I've been using for my role as a salesperson, and I'm gonna share them with you. If you want access to it, check down in the comments below, leave a like, and let me know if this is helpful for you. So let's dive right through it. I've categorized these into different sections. I have sales outreach, sales scripts, lead generation, CRM management, proposal generation, and negotiations and objection handling. So let's go to the first ones and let's try a few of these out. So for sales outreach, I have the first prompt is craft a personalized prospecting email for, and then you input the name, demonstrating research and understanding of their needs. You can go to this template and copy whichever prompts you like and then try them out for yourself. So in this case, let's go to ChatGPT, let's start a new chat, and then insert the field, the prompt below. So let's say the prospector's name is Henry, and demonstrating research understanding of their needs. And then we're gonna tell GPT that ask me more questions if you need more information to write an effective prospecting email. So now it's thinking. So additional information is Henry is what industry and field do they work in? Let's say they work in industrial equipment. Additionally, what type of product or service are you trying to pitch him? Let's say it's a SaaS software for mining equipment. All right, so let's see. Ask more questions if needed to make an effective proposal. And not make, we want to be very precise with our words. Right. So let's see what it comes up with. All right. So it did not need more information. So it just wrote me the whole email. It says, subject, enhance your mining operations with cutting edge staff software. Dear Henry, I hope this email finds you well. I came across your name while researching industrial equipment companies and I noticed. So it does a really personalized email. It already speaks about how I find this person, how I found this person, even though if I didn't. So then it goes into what the software does. You can edit this with your personalized software, adding the value proposition to make it really, really custom. But overall, this is a great template to start your sales call with or your prospecting email with. So I think this is super impressive. So let's start another one and check out something else here. So let's look into sales script. That's, I think, a little bit boring. It's very similar to the email. So let's do negotiation and objection handling. So let's stick with this example that we just came up with. So let's say we are down in the negotiations about our product. Let's go back here and let's say ChatGPT identify common objections for product service and develop persuasive responses and address to them. So again, let's keep with the same example for our SaaS software for mining equipment. So here they come up with a few objections and responses that we can use. So let's say when he says we already have a system in place that works fine, then you can just say, well, your current system may be working well. Our SaaS software offers additionally benefits that enhance your mining operations even further. So it gives you already objections of how you know how to respond to them when they reply to your email. And these are all different. Look at this. We're worried about the security of our data. Our team is not very tech savvy and many struggle to use this new software. So this already knows the background of who we're talking with, right? They know that we're talking in the mining industry and that people here in the industrial equipment are a little bit worried about these different aspects. So I think that's super impressive and that can help you come up with different responses that you can tell your sales team to answer when people ask and reach out about your software. So I don't want to leave it here. Let's do one more example to show you how powerful ChatGPT is. So for example, instead of having those 4 yet, you can just say, make a list of 5 more objections. So this is, you can always add to the previous question. You compound the questions to get more information. You can ask for additional information and you can ask it to format it too. So you could now ask, thank you, please format these objections into a table. And then you tell it how you want the format to be. First column, objection number. Third column, response. So now it uses good formatting that you can then copy and paste into an Excel spreadsheet and then send it to your coworkers or your sales team. So in my opinion, this is super powerful. And let's see what else we have here to just play around with one more other question. So here we have another subcategory that I use for lead qualification. So if you already have a list of qualified leads, you can use this question. Identify high value leads from the following list, focusing on their potential long-term revenue. And then here you can rank different customers based on your list of leads. And then you can also come up with a scoring matrix to help prioritize leads based on objective criteria. And all of these are super powerful in order to understand which leads should you follow, because the more qualified the lead, the more likely they are to convert. And with that, let's go one more to just CRM management. And this is for bulk data processing. You can feed all of the data that you want in there, and then you generate different data as an output. So let's say you have the customer's name. You can change this and add different following details using this prompt or using other prompts. And last but not least, if you have a problem within your sales role and the prompt is not in this template, you can always ask ChatGPT to come up with your help. So for example, let's go back to the sales question. Let's say, how can I find qualified leads? So here gives you different, it remembers what industry you're in. They say use data analytics, leverage social media, attend industry events, build referral networks, use search engine optimization, purchase targeted leads. And then you can ask more. You can ask, use data analytics. Please tell me more on how to use and it just keeps spitting out super valuable information. And you can keep doing this until you really know what you want to know. With that, if you found this helpful, please leave a like, drop a comment if you want access to this template. I have so many useful prompts that I've been using. I have really fun prompts out here. And then I have also master prompts of how I like to structure most of my prompts, as well as the one prompt to rule them all. Check out the other video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.